So unfortunately, the Steam Deck is no longer booting. I was on the plane, I was playing Prey, it locked up, and then I forcefully turned it off, and it won't boot again. So this is what happens. I turn it on. And it will remain on the screen. Just give it a couple more seconds. And nothing. Turning it off again, and if we turn it on, holding the dot button here, that will give us the boot menu. Select any one of these, it will show the verbose output of the boot, and we can see what's wrong with it. So it says here, failed to start file system check. So I think it didn't like the forceful shutdown. It doesn't let us go into emergency boot here. So I think we will need to use the recovery Steam image to get into a recovery mode. So for that, we'll need either a USB-C switch or a USB OTG cable. I have the recovery Steam image on here. This is, you can use a USB thumb drive, but I put it on a hard drive. Forget what I said about using the hard drive. It is agonizingly slow. If you watched my previous video, I would suggest using the 64 gig SSD and flashing it with the recovery image and use that to boot. Although writing to the 64 gig SSD is also very slow, but it will boot faster. So I'm going to plug it in. Hold down volume button and turn it on. It's detected the EFI USB device Sabrent. So in a prior attempt, I did try reinstall Steam OS. That did not work. I think the problem can be fixed with a terminal with repair tools using the file checker, but I don't have a USB-C hub to plug in a keyboard at the moment. If you remove this, remove the drive, the OS will lock up. So I'm okay with doing a full reimage. So we're going to do that, which is the second option. And we'll proceed. So that was very fast, took about 3-4 minutes. Proceed. And we're back. Thanks for watching. I hope that was useful. In the future, I may get a USB-C hub so I don't have to do the full reimage. But in the meantime, this works.